Oh yeah, oh man, that's my jam. Oh, woo, yeah. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. We're about to play this game, and it's gonna get real. We're about to play this game, and it's gonna be a seal. I'm gonna play this game, and it's gonna be fucking awesome. I'm gonna play this game, and it's gonna be like a blossom. I'm gonna play this game, and I'm gonna beat its dick. I'm gonna play this game with my little thumbstick. I'm gonna beat this game, and I'm gonna get the high score. I'm gonna get all the freaking sexy whores. Yeah. Yeah. I wish this fucking thing would load. It's being kinda slow. It's being a dick. I wish it would freaking load so I can stick it in the face. If it don't load, I'm gonna blow my load into its hole. That makes... God damn it. Come on! Okay. Alright, okay. That seems pretty simple. Holy shit! Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, suck my dick. This is fun. Oh yeah, holy shit. This music though, it's fucking goes hard, holy shit. What the fuck? I pressed the button! That's gay. Oh fuck, holy shit. Oh my god. This game is awesome. Poorly drawn like a fucking 2-year-old, but fucking awesome. Holy shit. Oh my god. Wow. Go, you slut, go. Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit, what is that? A fucking nylon pup. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh, this shit's getting fast. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. What the oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is going really fast. Holy shit. I am destroying these zombies. What the fuck? God damn it. Oh, so far. Shit. I was going fast, too. God, I was going so fast. Oh my god. Woo! Oh yeah. Run, you sexy slut, run! Go! These zombies are... Holy shit! Oh my god. This game, though. Does she ever get to the freaking chopper? God damn it. I mean, doesn't the chopper slow down? Like, seriously? Slow down so, like, she can catch up to you. Like, does she ever get to the damn chopper? Like, that's what I want to know. Because if she gets to the chopper, I would love to know. Like, fucking... Oh! Yay! This is great. Oh my god. I'm glad this is a game. I'm glad this is a thing. Oh my god. This song though. Oh my god. God damn it, son of a bitch! Fuck. Shit. This is something, yeah. Damn it. Ah, suck cocks. Shit. Oh my god. Yeah! Suck my night power. Woo! Do you ever get to the chopper? Like, I'd love to know. Oh my god. Please get to the chopper. I really want to see you get to the damn chopper. I wonder what happens if I, like, fucking, just keep on going, like... Oh my god, it's going really fast now. Holy shit. It's going really fast. Oh my god. It's going really... What the fuck? What did I die from? I didn't even hit anything, did I? No. I was going fast, too. Oh my god. I was like, booking it. But that's fine. No, it's okay. No, I don't have to, you know, yeah. That's fine, no. Yeah, night power. Let's take that. Yeah. Oh my god. What the? Damn it. This is so hard. What the hell did I die from there? What even? Ah. Shit. I didn't even hit anything. Unless I like let up at the last second where the missile hit me, but other than that, I didn't die from anything. Oh, okay, that was my fault. Damn it. Alright. I'm gonna make it really far this time. You watch and see. Alright. Alright, okay. We're kind of getting somewhere, not freaking really. Alright, that, okay, that, alright, okay. Alright, take that. Alright, okay. We're getting this done. Okay, alright. This is good. Good score. Alright, woo! Yeah, take that. Me and my Nyan pup. Oh my god, we're getting so far. Alright, okay. Ah, shit! Son of a bitch. Okay. That was a short playthrough, but, that was pretty fun. I like that. That's not that bad, but I'm gonna be playing some more indie games soon. I like indie games. They're fun. So, just stay tuned and, be awesome.